Hey everybody, Mr. On Demand here. And are you going through AI fatigue? A lot of people, I think, are feeling that they're shoving too much AI down our throats, whether it be Copilot in Windows or whether it be an AI in our search engine or whether it be AI in our video cards or AI generated frames for our video games or AI involved in our CPU with an NPU part of the CPU. I don't know about you, but I kind of agree. And I think a lot of people agree about that. If they would just integrate AI without shoving the term in our face, I think that would be a lot better for a lot of these companies. Just saying, hey, we're giving you an enhanced CPU or we're giving you an enhanced gaming experience with more frame rates and not really trying to shove the whole AI thing down our throat. Here's the thing, DuckDuckGo no AI search traffic has climbed as users are rejecting the AI overhaul. So no AI, right? So we've got the DuckDuckGo, your search here. Now DuckDuckGo, they have a no AI search page and it's more than tripled. So the traffic has really gone up since May 28th. So this is a big deal, and it's continued to climb. Visits have averaged around 84% above the baseline consistently since May 19th. So DuckDuckGo is embracing the demand for no AI search options, and it is promoting new extensions. So be aware that if you're using Google Chrome or Firefox, you can add the extensions in there for DuckDuckGo as well for the search. And I would say that that's probably a good idea. So the DuckDuckGo search has surged in demand with its no AI search option in the wake of Google's announcement. Google debuted the new intelligent search box reimagined with AI in its features. Now, I did videos talking about how Google's search has gone downhill a while back. The fact that in the Google search, you see a ton of ads instead of your actual search results that you're really wanting to find out. This, I think, also has played a part in DuckDuckGo gaining traction. Now, for users out there, I don't recommend using one search engine. I find a lot of things by using multiple search engines. I do use Google, I actually use DuckDuckGo, and I use Bing as well. A combination of all the different, and there's other search engines out there. I'm just stating some of the big ones, for you guys to know. And I think it's good for you all to realize this and don't keep yourself pigeonholed into one search engine. You're going to find that you're going to get a lot of results from different search tools on the internet that you won't get from other search tools. And this is a big thing for you to realize so that you can find things that maybe you couldn't find otherwise with the standard Google search. Go has seen a significant increase in traffic for its no AI search options after Google unveiled an AI-enhanced search experience at its I/O in 2026. So, what does this mean to you? Well, DuckDuckGo is expanding its no AI through the browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox and plans to integrate it into more extensions. So, if you want to take advantage of all the search tools out there, definitely look into the extensions as well as make sure you bookmark the search sites, DuckDuckGo, Google, Chrome, and Bing to use all of the features available in those search sites. Because you're going to get a different AI in Bing that you're going to get in Google, and then you can get no AI in DuckDuckGo. It gives you kind of a nice bonus of all the different worlds out there, as well as, you splattering in a few other search tools if you like other search tools out there. If you know of a search tool that I haven't mentioned, obviously, that you really enjoy, leave it in the comments down below. Let us all know about it so we can try it out and see for ourselves if we like it. Okay, so if this information was useful to you, please leave a thumbs up and let me know what your position on this whole search thing is, whether you prefer to use AI or you prefer to use non-AI search when you search for things on the internet. And what search tool do you use? What search engine is your favorite? Go ahead and let me know that as well, and we can all have a discussion in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a great day. This is Mr. On Demand, and I'm out.